The Edger by Techniglass is the fastest, easiest, and safest way to remove those razor-sharp edges from your glass. The Edger utilizes two fine grit abrasive stones arranged parallel to each other, enabling it to refine both edge corners simultaneously. Of course, it works brilliantly on straight edge segments, but the Edger also transforms both inside and outside curves effortlessly. Just one pass along the glass edge is enough to smooth out hazardous, sharp extensions, and it is particularly good at eliminating those nasty, jagged spikes from all types of textured glass. The Edger's patented design features a notched top that enables it to reach into most deep inside curves. It works on all glass sizes, from small pieces to full-size sheets, and handles thicknesses from 1/16 of an inch, 2 millimeters, to 1/4 of an inch, 6 millimeters. Its compact shape is comfortable to hold and protects your hand as you prepare your cut glass pieces before wrapping with copper foil or placing in a lead came assembly. The Edger is a simple yet innovative device that is a must-have tool for all glass hobbyists, artists, and professional shops. Glass art teachers will find it especially useful in their classroom to enhance student safety. The Edger from Techniglass. Available wherever you purchase art glass supplies.